I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Volkswagen Passat key battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. You'll need a new CR2032 3-volt coin battery, which is widely available, and a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Having these items ready will make the replacement smooth and easy. First, let's open the key fob. Find the small button on the side of your fob and press it to release the physical emergency key. Slide this key out completely. Now, look for a small seam or the slot where the emergency key was. Insert your small flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this opening. With gentle pressure, carefully twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the round, coin-shaped battery. This is typically a CR2032 3-volt battery. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Be careful not to damage the contacts. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Press it firmly into place. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear them snap securely into place. Then, slide the physical emergency key back into its slot until it clicks. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure it's working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your Volkswagen Passat key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.